Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a pretty sweet tip for you guys today. So if you've ever been talking with a client or customer and you have a bunch of samples ready to send to them that you know once they try on their skin they're going to fall in love, and so you send it to them, message them back after a bit only to find out that they're not completely in love, and you're so confused wondering like, how could they not? I knew they were gonna love this product. You dig a bit deeper, you find out that they applied it all wrong. So I have a sweet little tip for you guys today on how to include a video tutorial with all of your samples that you send out so that there's no confusion on the products that you've sent out and they know exactly how to apply it. So if you are interested in hearing my little tip, stay tuned to the rest of my video. Guys, so I just wanted to show you a quick little tip for sending out your samples. So here I have two little samples that I am sending out to a potential customer for her to try for foundation. First of all, I have these little bags that I've ordered off Amazon, which I've made up little labels for, just super easy with like Avery label paper. You just go to avery.ca or .com depending on where you are, and you can type in the sheets or the labels that you're using and then create custom labels. If you guys want a little more in depth on how to make labels, post in the comments and I'll be sure to make one for you guys. But after you have your logos made, I just put a little bit of tape over top just so in case the label gets wet it doesn't run. Anyways, so once you have your labels or your samples made, I have here a little postcard. So I've had these made at vistaprint.com or vistaprint.ca, and I've put my logo, my personal business logo on the front, and on the back you'll notice this little QR code. So this is simply like I printed it out on a piece of paper and just glued it on with regular glue. You could print it on too, but I just wanted to be really quick here. So I glued this QR code on, and what this QR code is going to do is I'm going to write little instructions to scan this and to say that when they scan this, this will take them to a YouTube video of mine showing them how to apply the foundation for best results, along with little tips and tricks on skincare, etc. for applying for their specific skin type. So if you guys want to know how to create these little QR codes, just type in the Google search QR code generator and it'll bring you to a website where you can easily and quickly, no registration of anything, like just quickly make a QR code for any link. So then I printed it, cut it out, glue it on, and then I've also included a couple samples in here for skin prep for her because I've talked to her via message, so I know kind of what skin type she is. And I'll just put little instructions for how to best prep her skin for the foundation for best results. Okay, you guys, so I was just about to upload the video and then I realized an alternate way for a second option to do QR codes. So you can go actually to avery.ca, or I'm sure avery.com as well, and I just signed into my account, which is free. And then over here you can click to create QR and barcodes. So click there, click here, and then you'll come up with this. Click enter manually, so next. Then go to code, where are we here? QR code, down at the bottom. And then click that you want to enter a URL. Then you can go over to your YouTube channel, copy and paste your video here, which I already have. Click this little green circle down at the bottom. That will update the code, and then so this will be your sample code. So you can just open up your camera and hold it in front of that QR code and it will bring up your video. So once you've tested that and it works, you can click finish. I'm just going to click cancel because I have it here. So then you can have this cute little label already to put on your foundation samples. So I think that that's a really cool alternative. So if you guys did enjoy this little tip, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to share with any of your teams or friends. And be sure to subscribe and click the bell for notifications for when I upload new videos every Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. I'll see you in the next one.